Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to import Amazon's products into a WooCommerce website. Even I'll show you how to build a beautiful Amazon website, Amazon affiliate website using Woodmart theme. You can download the backup file from a website in my link where I put the link in the description of this video. So you can download the backup from there and import it using all-in-one migrate. So first of all, let me show you from where you can find this website. Let's go open a new tab. I'm using Google Chrome browser, and the methods I'm about to show you in this video are only valid in Google Chrome. So be sure that you are using Google Chrome browser. So first of all, let's type www.selfstudyhelp.com and press enter. Oops, it's COM. Okay. Now, once this website is loaded, then you will find a post by the name of Build Online Store in 10 minutes. Just scroll here. You can find it here as well, or just click here and search for Woodmart. And press enter. Once it's loaded, just click on that post which says build online store in 10 minutes with Woodmart. Okay, now on this page, scroll down and you can view the demo, how this website already looked like. Open in a new window or in a new tab. So this is the demo website. How will it look like after you import it to your website? These are dummy products. You can remove them after you import this on your server. So for downloading, scroll down. You can also read these instructions to how to import them, or you can watch the video at the bottom of this page, so you know how to download this. Okay, now scroll down here and click on download, and you will get a WordPress file. This one, it is in the zip. So just click on download. It's 59 MB. Once you download this zip file, then you can import this using all-in-one migrate plugin. You can install it on your WordPress and then use this backup file to restore all these websites. If you want to see how this process works, then watch this video on the page, on self-study help page, and you will learn how to import this in the complete process. So in current video, I'll tell you about how you can get the products and import them into your WooCommerce website. So for this purpose, you will need a Chrome extension, Google Chrome extension. Just open a new tab, type Google and search for webscraper.io. Webscraper.io. It's a Chrome extension. Click here. Click on install. It will be opened in the Google Chrome web store. Now you will see a button here which will say add to Chrome. Currently it's removed from Chrome because I already have this here. So you do not have to add this if you already have it, but if not, then first time you will have to install this. Okay, once you install it and the icon comes here, or in these extensions here somewhere. Then the next step you will have to do is go to Amazon's website, amazon.com, or you can use amazon.in, because this process is working on almost all of these Amazon websites: amazon.com.uk, amazon.co.uk, .com.au, amazon.ca, amazon.in, amazon.com, amazon.sa, or anywhere you want. So suppose we are getting the products from for a robot vacuum cleaner. Let's type robot vacuum cleaner. So here's the result. I want to refine this result by clicking on 4-star and up, because I only want to add the best seller or the best rating products. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to limit the price. For example, minimum price is 20 and max price will be 150. Click on go, and all these price range products will be appeared in the search result. So for this page there are about 39 to 40 products, 38 to 40. So just use this URL now. Right click on the page and click on inspect. Open web scraper. If your inspect element doesn't open in the bottom of this browser, then you have to click on these 3 dots. This must be like this somewhere else, or somewhere else like this. Just click on these 3 dots and click on dock to bottom. Then you can see the web scraper tab here. So this web scraper tab is because we already installed this webscraper.io extension. Click on web scraper and click on create new sitemap, create sitemap, and copy this URL which will have the products, paste it here and name it. Let's say vacuum cleaners, and create a sitemap. So now the root of this sitemap is this URL, because we already gave it here in metadata for start URL 1. Now go to selectors. Here we will get the single page links. These all are the single page links except for these sponsored ones. We will skip these and we will add all others. There are some sponsored within in the middle here. These two are sponsored, so we have to skip them as well. Okay, now scroll to the top and click on add new selector. Name it as single or URL or link, whatever you want, but this type must be link. Click on multiple, because there are multiple products on this route. Now click on select and choose the ones that are not the sponsored ones. So click here, here, and all other will be selected. If you scroll down and see other sponsored are also not selected, which are probably the different selector, the CSS or ID selector. So that is why these are not selected. Okay, this one is skipped while it's not sponsored. Then click here. Okay, sponsors are skipped. Now click on done selecting. Now if you have a question like what about the next page, the next and next, so in the answer of that question you can click on sitemap, click on edit metadata. You have only one URL here. Just click on page 2 of the same result and copy this URL, add new, and paste that URL as well. Now you can see here we have page 1 and this one is page 2 result. If you want to get all these 7 results, these 7 pages result, or sorry 5 pages result, then just remove the first one, and for this page number 2, these large brackets, and from 1-2. Let me zoom this so you can see it. You can see page is equal to and 1 to 2. These are just 1 and 2 pages, but if you type 1 to 5, then it will get all pages from 1 to 5 and all these 40 products for each page. For example, one on the first page the 40, the second page 40, 40, 40, 40. So 5 40s are 200. There will be 200 products. Okay, now we got the single product URL. Just click here, and now we will open any of these products to get the single page data, just like title, description, image, price, SKU, categories, or any other small information you have. So just click on a vacuum cleaner to open the single page, and here add new selector within the single URL. Before we were on the root, now we are on the single page. That's way we can get all these elements one by one from this single page. So click on add new selector, type the name of the selector, which is title probably, and leave the type as text. Click on select and choose the title. Done selecting and save it. Okay, now that the title is here, we will get the price. Just click here, type price, select and choose the whole element, and let's see by previewing the data if the data is coming okay or not. We can remove the $ later once we get the data into a CSV or Excel file. Okay, now save it. Let's get the image. Change the type from text to image. Click on select and choose the image. Please remember that this is the vertical image. Sometimes some products have horizontal images which will not be fetched by this selector, because you can see in the class it already says a stretched vertical, which means it will only get these vertical images. So that there is a way to get all these images at the same time, which is like this. Just open another product which have the horizontal layout for the image and add a new image. So we have two image selectors, one image 1 and second one is image 2. So currently let me show you just one image, and scroll down here for the short description. Click on add new selector, type short and change the text to HTML, because these things, these short description things will have LIs, ULs and LIs, so which means it will have the HTML. Click on select and choose the parent of this div like this. Let me select where we do not choose the title of this short description. Just see, you have the LIs for the short description and it's in HTML because we already chose the HTML type. Okay, click on save selector, scroll down and let's see if we have the SKU and categories, filter type, included components and cordless capacity. You can select all these things one by one. Let's get the brand first. Brand from text here and save it. Now get the SKU. Where is the SKU? Here, the SN. Get SKU and choose this table. Similarly, if you want to get any other aspects like the weight or the dimensions, then you can get it easily. So I think this data is enough to show you how you can grab this data. In the next step, you will have to click sitemap and then scrap and start scrapping. So it will now get all the data from all these 5 pages and then all the 40 pages for each page, which means it will get 200 products data and will give you a CSV file. I am pausing this video and let it complete So we will have about 10 to 20 products for this test video, and I'll show you how you can get the CSV and then how you can import that CSV into WooCommerce website. So let's pause this video for now. So there are some products already fetched into the CSV. Now let me show you how you can download this CSV, and I also logged into my website where I want to import this data. So in the scrapper script, this was the script which was running to get the products from the Amazon website, and this was the page where we set up this sitemap. So click here and click on export data. You can get it in XLS or CSV. So our purpose will be fulfilled by the CSV. Let's save it on the desktop, vacuum cleaner.csv. Save it and open it with the Microsoft Excel. Just click here and open it in Microsoft Excel. Okay, we already have about 10 products already, so I think this is enough. Let me close this browser, this window. You do not have to close this because you will need all those 200 products into our one CSV. Okay, now we can get the title, price, image, short, brand and SKU. You can remove brand for now because we do not have a thing for adding this into our website. That is why we will remove it. We will need 2 more columns which will be added here manually. If you want to add as affiliate, then you will have to type external. Okay, the type will be external, and the tag ID, let's get affiliate URL. Your affiliate URL will be the main URL, which is the single href. Let's type here is equal to, and then click on this link and then type and in brackets, in double quotes, let's edit here. In the double quotes, type your tag ID, which means tag ID means your affiliate ID, which is in my case and tag ID or tag is equal to and press enter. If you press enter and drag this here, or just copy this first URL and paste on the top of all these. Okay, now just right click on this column, copy it and paste special as values. Okay, if you click on the URL now and go to the bottom of the URL, you can see and tag your ID is there in every URL, here and here as well. Okay, now this external, you can also copy this, copy and paste on all these columns, all these rows, and each product will be counted as external or affiliate product. Okay, now click here and click on save as. Do not use save, just click on save as. Use the same location which was the desktop, and from Unicode CSV you will have to change the type to CSV comma delimited CSV. This one, CSV comma delimited CSV. Okay, now type vacuum cleaner, choose the same file which you saved from the browser and replace it. Okay, now we have our CSV ready. Now open your WordPress dashboard where you want to add these products. So this is my dashboard. Let me refresh the dashboard page. Okay, go to the products. On the products page, you have to import these products. You can see I already have 34 products. You have to import these products. Here is the button, and then you will upload that CSV which we saved on our desktop. Just choose file on our desktop. Let's see, vacuum, open it. Do not check this box because these will replace only existing products and new products will not be added, so do not check that. Click on continue. Now time to map all these fields to exact field where you want to put them into the products. Okay, the single href title will be name, that's correct. Price will be regular price. Image src do not import. Let's see, let's set image src to images. Short description will be short description. SKU will be SKU. Type will be type. Affiliate URL be external URL. Okay, now click on run importer. The previous number of products were 34. Let's open the products in a new tab. Do not change this, and now these are 35. Let's refresh it again. We have 44 products with images, titles, and I hope the affiliate URL will be also there. Let's view this product for example, and let's see if we have the affiliate URL added. You can see there are no prices imported. That's because we do not have the prices in our Excel file. You can change the sitemap to anything else. You can check the different products URLs to add the price as well. Let's see if we have the buy now product URL here. The title is here, short description is here, SKU is here, and image is also here. Okay, now let's click on buy now, and let's see if it takes you to the Amazon page for this product along with your affiliate ID. At the end you can see we have our affiliate ID embedded into the URL. So that is how you can build an affiliate website using a Woodmart theme, and all the settings are already there. If you watch my previous video, in the start of this video I showed you a page where you can watch that video and you can build that website within 10 minutes, and then you can import all these products using this method which I showed you in this video. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.